A1 Terrazzo Restoration and Installation, located in Central Florida, specializes in terrazzo flooring, installation and restoration for residential and commercial clients. Terrazzo flooring is a composite material made of marble, quartz, granite, glass, or other durable materials. Un Terrazzo offers installation and restoration services and partners with a top terrazzo flooring supplier to provide various color and design options. Terrazzo is known for its durability, water resistance, and stain resistance, coming in a range of colors and designs to suit different styles. Call us today for more information about our established services.